Do you know that making money is made easy in this particular era that we are? Somebody will say, what are you talking about? Yes. Welcome to Deglon Tech. Here, what we do is that we teach people how to make money online and offline, locally. And by either selling or trading or do whatsoever thing that you are supposed to do, either online or physically, to make money. If today is the first time you've come across our channel or our video, all we want you to do is that if you should find value in this particular content, give us a thumb up and leave us a like and then subscribe to this channel, because all we do is to help people to get financial freedom. Today, what we are here to talk about is that we are here to show you how we've been able to make over 100,000 Ghana cedis on Jiji. Yes, we are not playing. How we've been able to make over 100,000 Ghana cedis on Jiji since we've joined the Jiji platform. Somebody will say, how do we do it? Don't forget, can go and check my channel. I will be linking this particular video right up here, where I made a video on how you'll be able to sell on Jiji, make money on Jiji by selling for free without even promoting your product. But it is good to promote the product to multiply your sales. So you can go watch that video up here. We'll be linking it up here. You can go and watch that video. So without wasting much time, let me take you through my phone, and then I'll take you through step by step how we've been able to make money on Jiji. What do we do? How do we do it? Here we are on my phone, and here we are on the Jiji app. Let me take you to the Jiji app home. So in case you don't have the platform, you can just go to Google Play Store and go and download the Jiji app. And when you come on Jiji, you just register. It's a very simple thing, so I'm not going to bore you with the registration process. When you come here, all you need to do is that make sure, in case you already have a product, or if you don't have a product, you come to the sell app here. Then when you click on sell, you just need to go through and then put your product on it step by step, that the category and all those things. So again, they are straightforward, so I'm not going to bore you with it. So the question is, who am I? How do I think I'll be able to teach you how to sell or increase your sale on Jiji? Let's go back and check my performance on Jiji. When you check up here, we have daily. My daily performance, the impression on my Jiji platform is we have 1,702 impression, and daily we have 74 visitors that visit my platform daily. And then for people that view my phone daily, I have at least 6 people that view my phone number daily, and then that is the average number. And again, the chat request here we have 1. And if I should go to weekly, I have 8,988 impression every week. I have 642 visitors every week, and I have an average of 73 phone number view, an average of 16 chat requests. And again, when you should go way to monthly, you can see it for yourself. I'm not going to start from the impression. The visitors, we have 1,772. The phone view, I have 200 phone view every month, an average of 200 phone view every month, and I have an average of 57 chat. So if I am telling you I can help you to increase your sales or make good money on Jiji, then I know what I am talking about, because we've been doing it. Now, when there are things you need to do to increase your sales on Jiji, the first thing you need to do is that you need to always come to Jiji at least 2 or 3 times every day. You see, when you come, for instance, when I come to this particular place, under client, let me go back again and show you. When you come to this particular place, we have my ad. Under my ad, we have my client, we have feedback, we have performance, we have notification, and then followers. When you come, you see sometimes the number of people that have visited your ad. You just go to my client. Under my client, you'll see that there are people that came to visit my ad. Make sure you message them. So when you come here, they say this person view my ad. I just go to chat. I already have a message that I have already written down. I just send it to the person. The message will say, hello, thanks for showing interest in our product. Kindly contact Deglon Tech on blah blah blah. Then our number is right there. So you do this to do follow up on people that come and visit our ad. We do it for almost everyone. And one thing you need to know is that there are some people that come to do to put call request, to request for call back. So if you don't come and visit your ad frequently, it will show as though you are not serious. So people will come to your ad, and people will even stop coming to your ad. One thing again is that you need to be coming to your ad almost every day, because some of the ad go offline. And what you need to do is that you need to come and renew or refresh that particular ad. So you posted an ad on Jiji and you thought the ad is actually working, it's actually online, not knowing the ad is already gone offline, that you need to go and renew it. So when you look at my ad, there's something written after the name. They say renew on the 12th of January. So in this place they say renew 2 days ago. This place they say renew on the 12th of June. So which means I come to renew this ad. You under this you see some green logo that will be written renew. You come daily, check which ad need to be renewed, come and renew those particular ad, so that it will help you to boost your ad. Again, what can I do again to increase my sales on Jiji? The next thing again is that let's try a random advert here, and let me show you something. Any random advert online here, and let me show you something. We just want to pick a random advert. So this particular one, the person is doing stonework. So we just click this particular ad, and then when I want to send a message, there's something they will tell me. They say they typically reply within a few hours. So that is very good. This person is a good businessman. So anybody that wants to send a message to this person, they are telling this person that this person always reply within few hours. This is my ad, so we cannot send message to myself. So let's go pick another person. So you go and see some people, they just post the ad on Jiji and they don't come back again. They don't come and check anything. So sometimes they'll say they always reply late. Immediately customers see that particular thing under your ad, they will not even bother themselves to send you a message, because they know if they should send you a message, you will not even reply. So you need to be replying message. That's why you need to be coming to Jiji at least 2 or 3 times daily to see, did somebody send me a message? Did somebody come and visit, check my ad? Did somebody view my ad? Let me reply that person. Did somebody request for a call back? Let me call that person. So the more you are doing that, it shows your seriousness. And again, one thing again that is so serious about you coming on Jiji, or you increasing your sales on Jiji again, is feedback. Let me go to my feedback and show you something. This is my ad. So up here you say I have 7 positive feedback, 0 neutral, 0 negative. What I do is that people that buy from me on Jiji, I do follow up after selling for them, or after rendering a service to them. I send them a WhatsApp message. Did you love my service? Did you love my product? If yes, please kindly give me a feedback. Then I copy the link here and then WhatsApp the link to them. So when I WhatsApp the link to them, I do follow up and I plead with them. Oh, if only you've loved the product, the way you see my service, just kindly give me a feedback. Then they give me a feedback. So you see the feedback I have here. Say I love that the fact that so let me open it and then read it. The feedback, one feedback here say I love the fact that you are trustworthy. Delivery was also on time. I will recommend you for business. All these people, these reviews you are seeing here are actually coming from my customer, people that have ever bought from me. None of this review here is fake. So people render a positive service. If you are selling something, sell something that is quality, so that your people give review. You see, there are some people that come on Jiji, they come online. Jiji even rank on Google. So you go to Google, you type a particular product, then Jiji product will pop up there. So people outside Ghana that want to do project or want to buy things in Ghana, especially people living in the Western world, in Europe, this time around they don't even call their relative to say, I want you to buy this for me, I want you to do this for me. They just go online, and I always have call from most of them. I receive call from most of them wanting to buy from me, and they buy and I just deliver to their home. Their people are there, then the goods arrive. Sometimes they send me to site, go check, I want you to do this project for me. Why? What do they look at? When they come, upon looking at your seriousness, they want to see what people are saying about you. They want to see what people are saying about you. So when people come to your ad, when they come under your ad, what are the review that people are saying about you? Because let's say the person come and see my ad. Let me just try to pick my ad from the pool right here and see if we'll be able to read what people are saying about it. Let me just go quickly and just type my product. Let me type my product. So the product is here. Let me just pick it from here. So when the person should come and click here, what the person will see that under it, the review are right there. The reviews are right there. So the person will read and see what people are saying. So beware not to dupe anything, not to deceive anybody for the person to leave a wrong or bad feedback on your product. And by doing that, you will increase your sales. And again, the last thing again I'll tell you is that, listen, if you have some money, go and boost your ad. Go and boost your ad. When you boost your ad on Jiji, it will help you. If you don't know how to go for the premium package, you can just go down here and go and request for manager's call, and they themselves will call you back, and then they'll register you on any package at all you want, and I believe it's going to increase your sale. Till we meet again. Bye.